Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Compression ratio equals total cylinder volume divided by clearance volume. Say that ratio aloud to keep it clear. Total cylinder volume equals displacement plus clearance volume, and we measure in cubic centimeters or milliliters. Clearance volume is the space above the piston at top dead center, and it determines compression. Displacement equals swept volume from bore and stroke measurements. Gather a bore diameter in millimeters and a stroke length in millimeters before you start calculating. Measure bore diameter and stroke carefully with calipers in millimeters. Convert millimeters cubed to cubic centimeters if needed by dividing by 1,000. Compute single cylinder displacement, pi times bore squared divided by 4, then multiply by stroke. Use 1,416 for pi to keep reasonable accuracy. Determine clearance volume by measuring combustion chamber, head gasket thickness, and chamber depth. Add displacement and clearance volume to get total cylinder volume. Now compute compression ratio using total volume divided by clearance volume. Express the result as x1 for example 9, 5, 1 or 10, 0, 1 for quick check use numbers. If total volume is 500 cc and clearance is 50 cc, ratio equals 500 divided by 50 or 10, 1. Always verify by comparing to manufacturer specs or remeasuring bore, stroke, and chamber volumes. Adjust measurements and repeat calculation until values are consistent and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.